The juicy gay Igbo man got some skincare products to keep myself moisturized, hydrated and juicy. This is what you should be buying. I went to Korean Beauty. I got a few things that I really like. This Milky Toner from Anua. This is so freaking good. I have been wanting to get this Anua Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Gentle Gel Cleanser. This is the cleanser and this is the toner. This will keep my skin glowy. This hair shampoo, I discovered this from Lado. I really love this. For some reason, they no longer carry the bigger version of this. I'm so happy that I got this from Lado. Galactomyces Pure Vitamin C Brightening Serum from Some by Me. This is really good. From the review, someone I know who uses this said to me it works really well. So I can't wait to start trying this. Skincare products doesn't have to be expensive for it to work. Some by Me, yes. This Pure Vitamin C Serum from Purito. The consistency of this is super amazing. My dear, if you don't use vitamin C, start using vitamin C. It's really good. They gave me some few samples. They gave me these bamboo moisture fresh mask sheets from Its Skin, and if you know me, you know I love a face mask sheet. This is another one that I'm going to try. I have a few other face mask sheets that I use. This is a sun cream, this vitamin C glow serum. She gave me this to try to see if I'm going to like it, so of course I'm going to try this. These three products are from Frudia. Those are the things I got from Korean Beauty for this juicy Igbo gay man's skin, because we need to take care of our skin. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.